Why? 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 Okay, hello everybody, good morning, good afternoon, good night, y'all, whatever time it is for you. So today, making a new video, another review. It's a Plasma Minigun, plus we're gonna mess around with that thing, the police cage thing. I got that. Yeah, I already had that. I did this review pretty fast because I didn't have to go to the lottery for the police cage. I already had it from the battle pass. So, today we're going to review the Plasma Minigun, also go around with this thing right here, the police cage supporter. Transporter, not supporter. Police cage supporter, that's a weird thing. Okay, so Plasma Minigun. Plasma Minigun, level 65 for me. Should I take off modules for now? Yeah. Efficiency 354. And primary epic 5899, capacity 60, mobility 50. It is automatic, minigun, and area damage. Automatic, you just have to hold down the button and just comes out. Keeps on going, keeps on going, keeps on going. Then it has area damage. Does this affect? No. It's sort of good, I don't know. Like this far away. And yeah, it's plus the minigun. You have to wait like 1 to 2, about 2 seconds. Just for this thing to start. Okay, so we're gonna have a good video. Also, I'm gonna do the review of this thing. I love this weapon, by the way. I love it right here. I love this weapon. It might be, this might be my main weapon. I might have to throw away Mammoth, which used to be my favorite sniper. This is like one of my dream snipers, and I just got it. So, we're gonna go to... Let's go to, first we're gonna go to likely Ice Palace, and then we're gonna go to Arabian Dust, or go to D-Day. Yeah, I'm trying to mix up the video types. Ice Palace, okay, I'll be quiet, and yeah. Okay, so yeah. By the way, this is with no modules, plus I have aim assist on because I haven't played the game in a while, and my aim is actually horrible, so I decided to turn on aimball, okay? Just for this video, I'll try to not use it next video. I'm just using it right now because I have horrible accuracy now. Because of school. I keep on going to school and all that stuff. Also, literally on Saturday when I could have gone on this game, for some reason I didn't play it all day until like nighttime. So that's another reason I haven't been playing it that much. I keep on forgetting about it. So yeah. Just because I actually a pretty good weapon, even without modules. I got 10 kills, and even going against those people who had dislike and all those other weapons that are pretty strong. So yeah, this is actually pretty good. Now let's add modules. Help. Modules, help. There you go, I needed a question mark. This is the modules I have. It has a lot of ammunition. Okay, let's go to having a good game and Arabian Dust. Yeah, we're gonna go there. Already back. Come on, okay. Okay, it's a good weapon. I actually like this weapon. I'm actually gonna do good against spammers, kind of, sorta. I mean, if I had Cyber Beast, then I would have actually done good. Would have actually done good if I had Cyber Beast on my side, but this time I didn't. I was more towards Ninja Tabby, just because it doesn't have like a delay when taking out. Ninja Tabby, you just have to press it one time, and it comes out immediately. Sideways, you need to wait a little bit of time, like 1 second. And it's kind of at a time, even though it doesn't sound like long. I'm gonna head to D-Day, and I'll be fine. Okay, that's actually a pretty good game. Okay, Plasma Minigun. It's actually a pretty good weapon. I like it. I do kind of recommend it. You had kind of quite a bit of higher modules, I think. I highly recommend it with like a long range sniper, maybe, just in case you can't like minigun. The minigun effect gets to you first. Because minigun effect makes it bad. That's why nobody uses this. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna go to Freeplay and then mess around with the whatever this one was. This one, yeah. Police cave cruiser. Private mode, obviously. I don't want anybody with me. Hello? I thought it was private mode. Oh my god. I'm gonna still go, but I'm gonna try to run away from people. Where to inside go? I'm trying to decide where to go. Okay, do this move. Allow my pulley sucker and just let this. Because I know this area over here, the whatever it's called, it's like the military base. They're trying to colonize us. See, that's a little bit of the police cage. You saw it for a few seconds. You'll have to see it again. Look at it, it's quite nice. There you go. Now let's go. We're gonna head towards this direction. Turn off music. Okay, just listen to music. Why in the world the news break really gets me right now? Do not pay attention. Let's try to land inside of the volcano. Let's see if we get burned. There you go. Nothing bad is gonna happen. Nobody saw that. Okay, that's the end of the video. If you like it, like and subscribe. And goodbye. Yeah, goodbye.